Alright guys, what's going on? So today, pardon my voice, I'm a little sick, but I'm gonna try to do the best I can to make this video. Let's get some lights on. So here's what we're doing. Got everything taken apart. So, intake manifold is off. I picked up this Edelbrock one. It's practically brand new. The guy only had it on for about 2 months, but now he's going big block. So, got it really good price. I have a Comp Cam's Extreme Energy kit coming on. Cam, lifters, springs, push rods, the whole works, timing kit. I've got a whole gasket kit coming. As you can see, my old valve covers and intake manifold were pretty crappy. I've got some nice Holley valve covers coming. Distributor should be able to be reused. Throttle body, I'm going to be boring that out and just cleaning it up. And this still has to come out to get the cam out. And I'm going to be working on pulling the lifters out today. I already got these rocket arms and push rods pulled out. Radiator's way over there. So the reason I'm doing this is because, well, one, I need a new timing kit anyways, so I gotta tear it down basically this far, essentially. So getting a new timing kit, so I figured as long as I'm doing a timing kit, I might as well do a cam and all that stuff too. I figured as long as I'm doing a cam, then I might as well pick up that intake manifold I saw for sale. So kind of one thing led to another, and now we're doing everything, I guess. So it'll be nice because I already have headers on, I already have ported heads, I already have the big fuel pump. So that bad 2 valve is coming over right now. It's going to help me out finishing pulling my lifters and the cam out. And yeah, then parts should be here tonight or tomorrow and get back to reassembly.
Ah! There we go.
That bad 2 valve.
Golden, baby.
Last lifter's out. So all you need is a dental tool, pliers, screwdriver, magnet.
That's it.
A wrench, pry them out. Hell yeah.
Oh, we'll be able to get it out. Will we have enough room?
Oh, damn.
No way.
Can we? You think if we took a gear off now?
Yeah, you could probably do that. That's hilarious.
Get it right there.
Just take a sawzall and cut it in half. All the bolts loose.
Yeah.
That's
They're
nice.
just hand tightened. Hell yeah.
All right, attempt 2. See just enough room. Damn it. Looks like we're gonna have to take the condenser out or something.
God damn it.
Stay tuned.
Alright, so on these OBS trucks, the AC condenser here, you can just kind of lift out of the way like that. Get your cam started in instead of taking it all the way out. Just go slow and be super careful. It's easier with 2 hands, but Have it. Twist a little bit. Be super careful. Twist it. Find the holes and all that. And the new camshaft is in. Excuse me. A little sick, but. And there you have it. Alright, everybody. So, new valve springs and push rods are in. Intake manifold is about, well, it's like halfway on, I'd consider it. Still gotta tighten everything up. Just put the air cleaner on there, mocked it up, see what it'll look like. But have the throttle body spacer and the throttle body board out and all that. Still gotta hook up a few more electronics and lines. Tonight, gonna set the valve lash, and hopefully everything will be hooked up by then. Throw the radiator in, fill it up with fluids, and hopefully we'll be able to start it up tonight. It's been going on project for a couple days now, so hopefully everything's all good and should get this thing fired up soon. Alright, so a little story time on the video now. I haven't been filming much just because it's kind of hard to film while working, but I've had a lot of help, and we got the truck running and driving with the new cam. But turns out I did further research on my setup, and the cam that I have was basically not going to be very streetable. It was way too big for this truck. Could get it to work, but I'd have to do a lot of training work, a lot of work with the timing. The TBI throttle body isn't going to be enough for air and fuel and all that. Gonna have to really mess with the chips, get a custom chip soldered in and all that, and it's a daily driver right now, so I didn't really want to mess with that. Plus I eventually want to build an LS for this anyways. So I'll post a clip here of it running and driving, just so you guys can kind of see what it sounded like. Alright, so there's the truck sitting outside right now, all put back together. Idle's pretty smooth. So there it is. Right now everything's all good. It's just the training fluid's a little full, so I gotta take some training fluid out. That was my mistake for filling it too much. She's not shifting right now, but yeah, once we do that, it'll all be good. So I know this video didn't turn out quite how I wanted it to. Obviously we got a lot more performance parts in and fixed my timing chain and all that. But it sucks that I couldn't use that cam. I mean, I could, but I'd have to do a lot more work to it. I just didn't do the right research when I got that cam, so it is what it is. It's still noticeably better than before, the way it runs and all that, and valves are adjusted good. So I'll eventually hopefully get an LS swap for this. And then, but yeah. She runs good for now, and it's all put back together, so yeah, like I said, this video didn't go quite as planned, but got to see a little bit of the truck, and it runs now, so we'll be back to filming again, hopefully more regularly. So if you like this video, as always, like, share, subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.